So the cockroaches that were living underneath there in the crack got pushed out by the foam, and he seems a bit dazed and confused about where he's going. Hey, good morning. So we're in Clearwater this morning. We're going to be doing some stabilizing and lifting of a pool deck. It's a beautiful day in Florida today as usual, and we're ready to go. Got the crew out here, and we're going to unpack now and get going. All right, so we're on site. This is the pool deck we're going to lift. As you can see, we've got probably half an inch of drop here going down to about an inch, inch and a half. You can see how it's cracked. The pool wall is still good intact. Pool wall looks good, but obviously the slab here is sunk. So we're going to be drilling a bunch of 3/8 holes underneath here, pumping foam underneath. The foam will fill any voids if there are voids. It'll compact the soil, and then it'll raise this concrete slab up. The slab itself looks like it's really in really good condition, so I think we'll get some good lift out of here. There are a few small cracks which are my concern, but I'll stay away from them when I'm drilling so that we don't get the slab separating any more than it should. But yeah, this is quite a clear-cut job. You can see how cracked it is and how damaged it is. So let's get started.
All right, so yeah, we're busy getting the machine sorted out, getting it rigged up, connecting the gun to the hoses, making sure the machine's in good working order. Once we moved all the equipment out, I'm going to start drilling the holes, pre-drilling 3 holes so that we can get cracking at it and get foam underneath the slab.
So we've pre-drilled the holes, 3/8 holes in the concrete. The slabs look good, they're fairly thick, so I'm hoping we're going to be able to lift this all in one go without cracking or getting any other things causing issues. So now we've drilled the holes, we're going to start pumping foam in these 3 sections here, raising up this concrete. If you've got any concrete repairs, foundation repairs, lifting of concrete slabs, pool decks, walkways, give us a call for a free estimate in the Tampa Bay area. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Let's get back to work.
Here we go. So we are now pumping close to the house's side, moving away from the house because we want the material to push against the foundation of the house, lifting the slab up and then moving out towards the outside of the pool deck. And if you look closely, you can see the dial spinning around, indicating good lift on that slab.
All right, so we've been pumping foam under this hole here. We've raised this up. We're almost there. We're about 1/8 of an inch down on this side, but I'm going to leave that because once we move over to that side, it's going to continue raising the slab, and eventually we'll get that level there. But we've already come up probably an inch on this side. That side, we're moving that way now, but this area is completely stabilized, full of foam. No cracks in the concrete that weren't there, just this one, which is closing up. We're getting some really good movement on this, and yeah, pretty soon we'll have this thing back to where it was originally. You could have caught a cockroach coming out there.
What happened, Ronnie?
Well, the foam came out pushing cockroaches underneath there. You can see, here's a dude. Hey, what's up, buddy? So the cockroaches that were living underneath there in the crack got pushed out by the foam, and he seems a bit dazed and confused about where he's going. Yep, this material will get rid of your insect and pest problems too. Lifting decks and getting rid of cockroaches. That's what we do.
Okay, so yeah, we are in the center section. We're getting good lift. You can see the dial spinning around. We're also getting some really good relief foam, and you can see the slabs leveling out and actually getting very close to being perfect.
Okay, so we've raised this half here. We've raised up to this side. You can see we're pretty level over here. We've got a little bit more to go, but once we've raised that section that's really bad, once we've got that up, we'll come back here and just do the final touches to get this lifted to complete perfection. But yeah, we're doing good. This has turned out nicely. There was an old crack in the deck here, which has opened up slightly due to the fact that we've got that piece set up, and that's still going down. But once we get that back up, that little crack will close up right there. So yeah, let's get going on the last hole and finish up this job.
Here we are busy pumping the last section. It's come up beautifully. Eric has stabilized the soil, lifted the slab up, and you can see that the slab is pumping is now flush with the pool wall, and the pool deck is all level, and we're done.
All right, so we got this job all done. It's turned out really nicely. You can see we got these cracks filled up. We raised this concrete slab about 1.5 inches on that side, about 2.5 inches on that side. So we got in and out in 2 hours. No permitting needed on this, no inspections needed. The material is a 40-year guarantee under here, so it's good to go. Now the customer can go and have it re-skimmed, re-pool coated, at least re-coated, concrete coating. She can do whatever she wants on this, even put pavers on, because This is strong enough to support pavers or any other material she wants to put on top of it. Yeah, so this job turned out really well. It was a 2-hour job. We're in and out. Now we're ready to go to the next job. All right, so we're all done with this job. We're heading out. If you need any concrete repairs, slab lifting, foundation issues, pool decks, give us a call on the number below and we'll come out and give you a free quote. Have a fantastic day.